Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I will discuss about exercise 8.1. Question number first is the angle of quadrilateral are in ratio 3, 5, 9 and 13. Find the angles of quadrilateral. हमें quadrilateral के 4 angles find out करने. Okay. So first of all let A is equals to 3x, angle B is equals to 5x, and angle C is equals to 9x, and third angle is D is equals to 13x. Okay, you have to give one ratio of all 4 angles of a quadrilaterals. So let ABCD is a quadrilateral in which this is 3x, 5x, 9x, and this is 13x. Now by angle sum property, of quadrilateral is sum of all 4 angles is 360. सभी एंगल्स का जो सम है वो 360 होगा. 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equals to 360. So total is 30x is equals to 360. This implies x is equals to 360 divided by 30, cancel 0. 3 से cancel कीजिए, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. So value of x is 12. Now angle A is equals to 3 into x and x is 12. So 3 multiplied with 12 is equals to 36 degree. Angle B is equals to 5x and value of x is 12. So you put x is 12. So it is 60 degree. And angle C is equals to 9 into 12 is equals to 108 degree. And last angle D is equals to is 13x or value of x is 12. So 13 multiplied by 12 we get 156 degree. Hence the solution of first question. Now question number second, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal then show that it is rectangle. पैराग्राम्स के डायगोनल अगर इक्वल हो तो उससे क्या प्रूव करना है? रेक्टेंगल शो करना है. इट मीन्स ईच एंगल राइट एंगल शो करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक ए फिगर विद द हेल्प ऑफ pencil and scale. Say ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. First of all write given. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Diagonals are equal. AC and BD are equal. You have to given diagonals AC and BD are equal. Now to prove ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, so now start proof है. प्रूफ स्टार्ट करें. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल DAB एंड CBA कॉन्ग्रेंट बनाइए. इन ट्रायंगल DAB एंड ट्रायंगल CBA AD is equals to BC. AD is equals to BC. Why? Because opposite side of parallelogram. Of parallelogram. Second is AB is the common side of both triangle. AB is equals to AB, common side. Third is AC and BD are equal. It is given. AC is equals to BD. Diagonals are equal. It is given. So by triple S congruence condition, both triangles DAB is congruent to triangle CBA. When triangles are congruent, then you write by CPCT angle A is equals to angle B. Angle A is equals to angle B by CPCT. Correspondence parts of congruent triangle are equal. Now sum of angle A and B is 180. Why? Because these are co-interior angles. These are AD and BC are parallel. So AB is the transversal. So sum of co-interior angles is 180. Here you write co-interior angles. So now you replace angle A in B. A को B में replace कर दीजिए because A and B are equal. So here write angle B plus angle B is equals to 180. So twice of angle B is equals to 180. Then angle B is equals to 180 divided by 2. Cancel by 2, we get 90 degree. So it means B is 90, so A is 90, hence ABCD is rectangle. Hence ABCD is a rectangle. This is the proof of second question. Now question number 3 is show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle then it is a rhombus. अगर किसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स के डायगोनल राइट एंगल पे बाइसेक्ट करें तो उसको आप क्या प्रूव कर देंगे? rhombus. It means you have to prove all four sides are equal. You have to given ABCD is a quadrilateral, diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at a right angle. Okay, so first of all write given ABCD is a quadrilateral, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. ओके, राइट एंगल पे बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. सो यहाँ पे राइट एंगल यानी 90 डिग्री बनाओ. इट मीन्स ओ ए इजकस टू ओ बी ओ सी, ओ ए इजकस टू ओ सी and OB is equals to OD. It is also given. So to prove ABCD is rhombus. Now start proof. इन ट्रायंगल AOB एंड AOD दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंस बनाएं. इन ट्रायंगल AOB and triangle AOD. OA is the common side in both triangle. OA is equals to OA, common side. Second, OB is equals to OD, it is given. OB is equals to OD, it is given. And third is, this is right angle. Angle AOB and AOD is 90. It is also given. Angle AOB is equals to angle AOD, each 90 degree. Okay, so by SAS congruence condition, triangles AOB is congruence to triangle AOD. Then you write here by CPCT, AD is equals to AB. AD is equals to AB by CPCT. Correspondence parts of congruent triangle are equal. Similarly, जिस तरीके से आपने AD और AB इक्वल शो किया है उसी प्रकार से आपका क्या हो जाएगा? AD is equals to CD, CD is equals to BC and BC is equals to AB. It means all four sides are equal. So you write here similarly, AD is equals to DC, comma, DC is equals to BC, comma, BC is equals to AB. This is first equation, second equation, third and fourth. So from first, second, 3 and 4 we have all four sides are equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. Hence ABCD is a rhombus. Because all four sides क्या हो गए? Equal. So ये क्या बन जाएगी? Rhombus. That's all. Now question number 4, show that diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals of square right angle पे bisect करते हैं और equal है, ये हमें prove करना है. You have to given a square. So first of all make a square. Say ABCD. ABCD is a square. You write given ABCD is a square. Diagonal AC and BD आपको बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट राइट एंगल प्रूव करना है और इक्वल भी प्रूव करना है. ओके, टू प्रूव डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल AC इज इक्वल्स टू BD प्रूव करना है और ये राइट एंगल प्रूव करना है. AC perpendiculars to BD and bisect each other. Okay, now start proving. इन ट्रायंगल DAB एंड CBA इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रेंट बना देंगे आप. So in triangle DAB and triangle CBA क्या क्या इक्वलिटी है दोनों में? AD is equals to BC. Opposite side of square are equal. Of square are equal. Next, AB is the common side. AB is equals to AB common. Third is angle A and B are 90 because it is given as ABCD square. Angle A is equals to angle B, each 90. So it means triangles are congruent. By SAS, triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA. Then you write here by CPC diagonal AC is equals to BD. AC is equals to BD by CPCT. Hence the first proof कि diagonals equal हो चुके हैं. Now अब diagonals को bisect करना है. तो इसके लिए क्या लेना होगा आपको? triangles AOD और COB triangles लीजिए. इन triangle AOD and COB क्या क्या इक्वलिटी है इन दोनों में? AD is equals to BC. Okay, angle this is equals to this alternate interior. You say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 are equal. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 alternate interior angle. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4 also is alternate interior angle. So it means triangles are congruent by ASA by ASA triangles AOD is congruent to triangle COB. Then you write by CPCT OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. OA is equals to OC by CPCT and OD is equals to OB also by CPCT. By CPCT. Correspondence parts of congruent triangle are equal. Now perpendicular और start करना आपका सेकंड प्रूव भी हो गया. डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट हो चुके हैं. नाउ ये राइट एंगल शो करना है. इसके लिए क्या करना होगा आपको? ट्राइंगल AOB एंड AOD को कॉन्ग्रेंट बना दे. इन ट्राइंगल AOD एंड ट्राइंगल AOB इसको कॉन्ग्रेंस करने के लिए क्या करेंगे आप? OA इज द कॉमन साइड, OD इज इक्वल्स टू OB प्रूव कर चुके हो आप. ठीक है. और AD इज इक्वल्स टू AB साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर. सो ये रही आपकी कॉन्ग्रेंस हो जाएगी. OD इज इक्वल्स टू OB वेरीफाइड. OA इज इक्वल्स टू OA कॉमन साइड. ओके. And third is AD is equals to AB side of square. So it means angle AOB and both triangles are congruent. Triangle AOD is congruent to AOB. Then you write here by CPCT angle AOD is equals to angle AOB. Sum of angle AOD plus AOB is 180. You replace AOD in AOB. So AOD plus AOB because AOD and AOB both are equal is equals to 180. This is twice of angle AOD is equals to 180. Hence AOD is equals to 180 divided by 2. We get 90 degree is equals to. So it means diagonals bisect each other at right angle and are equal. Hence the proof. Thank you.